Welcome to Sacred Spaces, visiting spiritual places around the world. In this YouTube series, we will explore the rich tapestry of Christian religious sites across the globe. Join us as we embark on a journey to discover the beauty, history, and significance of these sacred spaces. Our first stop takes us to the heart of Europe, where we find the awe-inspiring Notre Dame Cathedral in Paris. Built in the 12th century, this magnificent Gothic masterpiece stands as a testament to the devotion and craftsmanship of its creators. As we step inside, we're greeted by the soft glow of stained glass windows, depicting biblical scenes that have inspired worshippers for centuries. Next, we travel to the ancient city of Jerusalem, where the Church of the Holy Sepulchre awaits. This sacred site is believed to be the place where Jesus was crucified, buried, and resurrected. Pilgrims from around the world come to pay their respects and experience the profound sense of spirituality that permeates the air. Moving across the Atlantic, we find ourselves in South America, where the Basilica of Our Lady of Guadalupe in Mexico City stands as a symbol of faith and devotion. This iconic shrine attracts millions of pilgrims each year, seeking solace and miracles from the Virgin Mary. Our final destination takes us to the heart of Africa, where the Lalibela churches in Ethiopia captivate with their unique rock-hewn architecture. Carved out of solid rock, these churches have stood for over 800 years, serving as a place of worship and pilgrimage for Ethiopian Orthodox Christians. Join us on this spiritual journey as we uncover the stories, traditions, and spiritual significance of these sacred spaces. Through breathtaking visuals and insightful narration, we hope to inspire a deeper understanding and appreciation for the diverse religious heritage that exists around the world. Stay tuned for the upcoming episodes of Sacred Spaces, visiting spiritual places around the world.